In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear vehicle speed sensor on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the rear of the transmission. Let's get started. Remove the connector for the rear vehicle speed sensor. Push on the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. We're going to wiggle the sensor back and forth, slowly working it out. Remove the sensor. Install the sensor. Make sure it gets fully seated. Line up the holes and install the bolt. Get it started by hand and snug it down. Torque the bolt to 3.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to spray a little bit of brake clean. Clean up any mess we made. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.